How to adjust date and time of an image in photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Photos, then in the photo library, open up an image that you would like to change. Next, tap on the More button at the top here. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Adjust Date and Time. In here, we can select a date and you can change the time. And then tap on the Adjust button to save the changes. And that's it. So that is how you can adjust the date and time of your taken images on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.